How old are you?
Madam, 70 years.
Okay, good. You speaking Arabic?
Yes, please, madam.
No problem. Me speak English, no problem. But you speak English?
Yes, madam, please.
Okay, good. I bring you my house this Ramadan, okay? You work my house. Every day cook me, cook my husband, cook my children, cook my husband mother, cook my husband mother, okay?
Madam, I don't understand.
You understand me, Kalam?
No, please. You? No. I never heard this English before.
You know speaking English?
Yes, I speak English, madam, but what you are saying, I don't understand. How can I cook your husband? Cook your family?